Good day, my name is Ted Jones and we're here aboard a brand new 345 Boston Whaler Conquest. This is an absolutely incredible boat, powered with triple 350 Mercury Verados. The cockpit, although they're folded at the moment, has a side and back seat that fold up and down to get out of your way. Very comfortable. This boat is equipped with refrigerator, freezer, has a sink area that's very nice. At the moment, there's a big filler cushion in on the passenger side that acts as a sun lounger, and it is removable to give you the best of both worlds for seating, and a table will go there when a cushion's not. Helm area, fantastic layout. This boat's equipped with a large Raymarine GPS fish finder, VHF radio, great stereo system, and this is a Mercury joystick system boat for great maneuverability and docking. We work our way down into the cabin. Lots of room, lots of room. It has the V-berth set up with a table that does go up and down. When that table goes up, it's very nice for sitting and eating and entertaining. When the table's down, it works fantastic because the cushions come together and it makes a comfortable bed. Enclosed shower and head area. There is an aft cabin in this boat, so it does give you more room for sleeping. And a very nice cooking area here in the kitchenette. When I look back, coming out of the cabin, it gives you an idea just how much room is in this boat. It's massive. This boat's also equipped with outriggers. It does have a sunshade that goes out over the back of the cockpit that works very well. And as you can see in this video, although it's a little difficult, this boat does have the bow cushion package that is removable when you're fishing or when you're not using the cushions. Alright, for more information or to get out and take a ride on this boat, please feel free to give me a call. You won't be disappointed. This boat was designed to run in rough water, take the family to the Keys, go fishing in the Bahamas, everything you want to do on a boat. It's right here. Ted Jones, MarineMax Stuart, 772-263-6743. Thank you for your time.